Good evening YouTube, this is Brave Counsel and welcome to tonight's quick crypto briefing. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe, but with that being said, we'll get straight into tonight's topic. So a lot of you have been asking me in the comments whether I think the FOMO levels are getting dangerous within the crypto market at the moment. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to illustrate where I think we are in the market cycle and what we could see coming in the future. I have to get out there, of course, straight up. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. These are purely my own opinions. However, I think we're moving into a very, very positive space for the crypto markets. So how I'm going to do this is by illustrating the charts for the last various periods set out for you. And what I'm hoping to show you is that I need to try and get you out of your short-term mindset sometimes, because I know a lot of people in the crypto market, they're on their phones every single day, sometimes every hour of the day, sometimes even more than that. And what I want you to do is just have a look at the figures in the first time frames, but then look at it from a longer term view, and I think you'll get to start to see that we're in a very, very positive place at the moment. So let's take a look. So first of all, just a quick market roundup. BTC dominance standing at around about 55%. Total market cap $253 billion. That's up a few billion over the last couple of days. And a total volume of 69 billion. Again, up 12% on the day. So first of all, we'll just bring up the top 10 coins. I've no problem with coins below the top 10. It's up to the individual whether they want to invest in those, but the point remains standing for the top 10 coins. So obviously you can see today we're having quite a nice time of it, up a few percent across the board. Again, Litecoin doing particularly well, has been doing for some time now. But the point I want to show you starts around about the 7-day mark, and this is where the psychology of people starts to become affected. So if we move to the 7-day mark, we can see that withstanding Litecoin, which is doing particularly well at the moment, most probably because of the upcoming halving, we see that all the other top 10 cryptos are down, and down quite severely at times. But what you need to think about is the fact that this is just over 7 days, guys. Unless you're a day trader, this really shouldn't be taking up too much of your mental energy, and you shouldn't be stressing out too much about this, because I'll show you why. So we go from the 7 days and we take the view out just a little more, and we go to the 3-month point. Well, that's a bit of a different story, isn't it, guys? If you were getting in the market 3 months ago, you've made 100% on Bitcoin, 80% on Ethereum, just shy of 30 on Ripple. Litecoin's up massively, 122%. Bitcoin Cash 200%. EOS 73%. Binance Coin doing particularly well at 120%. The point I'm trying to make here, guys, is the short-term mindset of many people in the crypto space today of worrying about the day-to-day trading. What you have to think is, where is this market heading? Let's take out the view a little bit more. Let's go to the 6-month point. And this just further reinforces for me, guys, what you are looking for really. If you're a hodler in this market, if you're looking for solid gains that could potentially be life-changing depending on how you invest in the market. BTC 129%, Ethereum 169%, Ripple up 31%, Litecoin 413%, Bitcoin Cash 248%, EOS 235%, Binance Coin 569%. Those are incredible gains, guys. You wouldn't get anywhere near that in the stock market, in the bond market, in the gold market, in the precious metals market, in the commodities market. You're not getting anywhere near this, guys. I've just returned from working in the finance sector in the Middle East, in Dubai in particular, United Arab Emirates. And what I can tell you guys is this technology is taking off in that part of the world. Everyone you speak to on the streets, they're all absolutely excited about this space. They can't wait to see how this develops. I certainly know I've nailed my colours to the mast, but of course it's up to the individual how they see things. Now, clearly this is very different from where we were last year, 2018, after the massive bull market of 2017, early 2018. We've gone through some real pain in 2018. But again, look at the news that's been coming out more recently. The regulation, particularly more recently in the last couple of days, the IRS in America deciding to publish very soon more tax regulation on digital assets, how this is all going to work. What you need to understand, guys, is as larger companies get involved in here, these things, in my opinion, are only going to get more valuable. Bitcoin really has staked out its store of value principle. Ethereum for apps is absolutely on the ball at the moment, doing very well this year. And of course XRP, a utility token used by banks and institutions around the world, and I've outlined in previous videos how I think that XRP is going to help the world, particularly the unbanked or the underbanked of the world, the people who forced to send money through companies like Western Union, who will constantly take a percentage off people. That's going to be a thing of the past soon, guys. So finally then, for this evening, let's just take a look at where we are for the day. Obviously last week Bitcoin and the rest of the market took somewhat of a hit, but today we could be starting to see things recover a little, or at least stabilize. So we see Bitcoin up 3% on the day, Ethereum 5, XRP 3.61, EOS, again, that had a big fall off from around about $8.50, now trading at $6.33, maybe it's stabilized. Litecoin, of course, up 10% again, guys. The halving is coming up. Will Litecoin continue? Will the smart money run? I mean, we saw earlier on in the chart that over the 6-month period, we're talking 400% gains. That is absolutely massive, guys. Let's see how this goes in the future. Let me know in the comments what you think. Where do you think the crypto market's going? Do we see FOMO continuing? Do we see a stabilization period now? What do you think? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and see you again soon. Cheers.